Question 21, we've got a grid here and we've been asked to draw the graph of x squared plus y squared is equal to 169. You should recognise this as a circle, whose general equation is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. This is a circle based centre origin. So 169 is equal to r squared, so therefore r is equal to 13. So we need to draw a circle, radius 13. So I've got a compass here and I've set it to a radius of 13 and I've just got to draw the circle. Move that out of the way, and that's a perfectly good solution to the first part of the question. In part B, we've been asked to find where our circle would cross the line 2y is equal to 3x. Well, we could plot that by a table of y and x and put those values on the graph, but it's much easier to rearrange this so that y is the subject. And if I divide through by 2, I get y is equal to 3 over 2x. Why have I done that? Because this value here, 3 over 2, is the gradient of the line. And as we have no c value, this line must go through the origin. So we have our first coordinate point. The gradient is defined as the rise and the run. So if I take this point and climb 6, I must go along 4. So our straight line must go through this point here. Equally, if I go down 6, I must go back -4. Those are all multiples of this gradient here, 3 over 2. You can see we've got a straight line which goes through the origin. Let me draw it in. Something like that. So our two solution points are here and here. So it's just a matter of reading off the values from the scales as to their coordinate points. And to make it easy, I've drawn two lines to both the axes. So we've just got to read off this value. Let's say this coordinate point, the x value, is 7.2. And the y value, 10 points, well, it's on its way to 11, 10.8, 10.7, 10.7. And coordinate 2, well, we don't have to go through the same rigmarole because it's clearly the negative versions of both of these. This will be -7.2 and -10.7. And those will be your two answers.